Hello viewers, G for Guitar for each channel. Welcome you all to our new video. In today's video, we are going to learn about complete fretboard. Before going to start this video, you must watch the listed videos on the screen so that you can get proper understanding about today's class. If you are not subscribed our channel up to this time, please click subscribe, click bell icon and also click all for getting all the notification of our videos. Let's move to our today's class. In today's class, we are going to learn about complete fretboard. You all know about what is fretboard. You can see this is fretboard. Okay, it's also called fingerboard. Okay, fretboard. This is fretboard, also called fingerboard. In a fretboard, you all can see these boxes. These are called frets. Okay. I already uploaded a video about parts of guitar. You must watch that video. Okay. We are going to learn about the notes of every frets. Okay. Before going to start the class, you must learn the name of the string. First string is E, second string is B, third string is G, fourth string is D, fifth is A and sixth is E. Okay. For learning the fretboard, we must start from left side to right side. Okay. You must study the fretboard from left side to right side. Okay. In a fretboard there is many notes. Okay. First we are going to learn the notes of first string. Okay. First string is E. First string is E. In first string, when we put finger on the first fret, it become F. It become F. When we put the finger on second fret, it become F sharp. F sharp is also called G flat. F sharp is also called G flat. Third fret is G. Okay. Third fret is G. First string, fourth fret is G sharp. G sharp is also called A flat. Fifth fret is A. First string, fifth fret is A. Next is A sharp. A sharp is also called B flat. A sharp is also called B flat. Then seventh fret is B. Seventh fret is B. Then eighth fret, it is C. Eighth fret is C. Then ninth fret, that is C sharp. C sharp is also called D flat. After that, D. After D, there is D sharp. D sharp is also called E flat. D sharp is also called E flat. And 12th fret is E. 12th fret is E. You can see here the 12th fret note is E and also the string name is E. By that we can say like this: the name of the string and the 12th fret of the same string is same note. Okay, same note. 12th fret is E and the name of the string is also E of first string. Okay, next is 13th fret, that is F. 14th fret F sharp. F sharp is also called G flat. Then 15th G and it go up to this 20th fret. In a fretboard almost 20 frets are there. In a fretboard almost 20 frets are there. This is the notes of first string. Okay. Next we move to second string. Second string is B. Second string is B. From left side we will learn. Okay. Second string first fret is C. Second string second fret is C sharp. C sharp is also called D flat. Third fret is D. Fourth is D sharp. D sharp is also called E flat. Then fifth fret, that is E. Sixth fret is F. Seventh fret is F sharp. F sharp is also called G flat. Next is G. And next is G sharp. G sharp is also called A flat. Next is A. Next is A sharp. A sharp is also called B flat. Then 12th fret is B. I already told you name of the string and the 12th fret note is same. Name of the string is B and the 12th fret note is B. Okay. Then 13th fret is C. Next is C sharp. It go up to this. Okay. You can see the notes in screen also. Okay. Next we move to third string. Third string is G. Third string is G. Okay. In third string first fret is G sharp. G sharp is also called A flat. Okay. G sharp is also called A flat. Next is A. Second fret is A. Third fret is A sharp. A sharp is also called B flat. A sharp is also called B flat. Next is B. Fifth fret is C. Sixth is C sharp. C sharp is also called D flat. Next is D. Next is D sharp. Next is E. Next is F. Next is F sharp. F sharp is also called G flat. Next is G. 12th fret. That is also the same note. That is G. Okay. 13th fret is G sharp. G sharp is also called A flat. And it goes up to this. Okay. Next we move to fourth string. That is D open. Okay. From left side, first fret is D sharp. D sharp is also called E flat. Second fret is E. Second fret is E. Third fret is F. Third fret is F. Fourth is F sharp. F sharp is also called G flat. Fifth is G. And sixth is G sharp. G sharp is also called A flat. And seventh is A. Seventh is A. Next is A sharp. A sharp is also called B flat. Okay. Next is B. Next is C. Next is C sharp. C sharp is also called D flat. Next is D. Okay. 12th fret and the name of the string is same note. That is D. After that D sharp, E, F, and it go up to this. Okay. Next we move to fifth string. That is A open. Fifth string is A open. From the left side, first fret is A sharp. A sharp is also called B flat. Second fret is B. Third fret is C. Fourth is C sharp. C sharp is also called D flat. Fifth is D. Sixth is D sharp. D sharp is also called E flat. Seventh is E. Eighth is F. Next is F sharp. F sharp is also called G flat. Next is G. Next is G sharp. G sharp is also called A flat. Next is A. This is 12th fret. 12th fret note and name of the string are same. That is A. Okay. After that A sharp, and it will go up to this. Okay. Next we move to 6th string. That is E string. E open, but it is bass string. Okay. From left side, first fret F. Second fret F sharp or G flat. Third is G. Fourth is G sharp or A flat. Fifth is A. Sixth is A sharp or B flat. Seventh is B. Eighth is C. Ninth is C sharp. C sharp is also called D flat. Next is D. Next is D sharp. D sharp is also called E flat. And 12th fret is E. 12th fret note and name of the string are same. That is E. And next is F. And it go up to this. Okay. You must learn all the notes very carefully so that you can get proper understanding about notes of the guitar and ranges also. Okay. Then only you must play the leads properly. Okay. So I am going to end up today's class. In today's class we are learned about complete fretboard. Okay. If you like this video, click like, share it, subscribe it, and also click bell icon and all for getting all the notification about our videos. Thanks for watching.